I'm Faral Imran, and today I'll be telling you about OpenAI Sora video generator appears to have been leaked. So I'll be telling you all about it. So stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So some of you guys, if you're watching this video for the first time and you might not know what OpenAI Sora video generator is, so let me tell you about it. So basically, Sora is made by OpenAI and it's a video generation. From the name, you can tell itself, what it does, it's a video generation model that is created from the text. Means you give a prompt to it, you give a text to it, and in response to that, OpenAI Sora, what it does, it generates a video. So it creates some really realistic and amazing videos. So what happened to this is that a group appears to have leaked access to OpenAI Sora video generator. Now, why this was done? This was done in protest to what it's calling duplicity and art washing on OpenAI's part. So, what happened is that on Tuesday, the group published a project on the AI Dev platform, which is called Hugging Face. So, on Hugging Face, the group they published a project which was connected to OpenAI Sora API because OpenAI Sora API is not yet publicly available. So, using their authentication tokens, what they did from an early access system, they created a front end that lets users generate videos with Sora. So, on Hugging Face, there was a project in which you can generate videos for using Sora. Means you can give text to it and Sora will generate it. So some group did. And why it did, I'll be telling you in this video. So because some early testers, these people were some early testers, they leaked access to OpenAI Sora using Hugging Face Space. And then and why it was leaked, so this was the text. So here it says that, dear corporate AI overlords, we received access to Sora with the promise to be early testers, red teamers, and creative partners. However, we believe instead we are being lured into art washing to tell the world that Sora is a useful tool for artists. And they say that artists are not your unpaid R&D. We are not your free bug testers, PR puppets, training data, validation tokens, and hundreds of artists provide unpaid labor through bug testing, feedback, and experimental work for the program for a $150 billion valued company. And while hundreds contribute for free, a select few will be chosen through a competition to have their Sora creative film screen, offering minimal compensation, which pales in comparison to the substantial PR and marketing with value OpenAI receives. And they say that denormalize billion-dollar brands exploiting artists for unpaid R&D and PR. And they say every output needs to be approved by OpenAI team before sharing. And this early access program appears to be less about creative expression and critique and more about PR and advertisement. And they say that some corporate art washing detected. They're saying we're releasing this tool to give everyone an opportunity to experimenting with what 300 artists were offered a free and unlimited access to this tool. We're not against the use of AI technology as a tool for the arts. If we were, we probably wouldn't have invited to this program. While we don't agree with how this artist program has been rolled out and how this tool is shaping up ahead of a possible public release, we're sharing this to the world in the hopes that OpenAI becomes more open, more artist friendly, and supports the arts beyond PR stunts. So, this was the message by the artist who leaked the Sora video generation tool. And they also say that through the group's front end, what you can do, any user can generate 10 seconds videos up to 1080p resolution by typing a short text description. But several users on X they managed to upload some samples from the Sora video generation model, and I'll be showing you some of the videos. And but after that, what happened? The front end was no longer working and OpenAI and Hugging Face revoked access. So the group claims that after 3 hours, OpenAI shut down Sora's early access temporarily for our artists. So if you see it here, so it says that after 3 hours, it has shut down the Sora's early access temporarily for all artists. And here there was like the videos were generated, but it's not shown here. But in X, there are the videos, which I'll show you. And even this is one of the sample video. And on X, let me show you. There was this leak. Yeah, this is one of the video in which there was a dog which is playing in the snow with the cat, and it's like the sample video from Sora video generation. And here this was one video in which a cat is chasing a mice, and there's another video of a bear which is having a Coca-Cola with it in the snow, and at the background you can see there is a snowfall. And here you can see there's a city, and it's like there's car moving, and here you can see there's some work going on. And this video you can see there's a baby which is swimming underwater, and it looks like it's very happy. And this looks like a dog which is near the firewood, and it looks like some kind of like a ghost or something. And this one looks like it's a floating dog or something like that. And this one looks like flamingos. There are many flamingos here. And here you can see flamingos, they're walking or something. And here there's the person who's eating the spaghetti, which is in comparison to the Will Smith spaghetti eating test. And here you can see the man is eating spaghetti. Here you can see the watermark of OpenAI also. And here there's one video in which you can see there's like near the Eiffel Tower, there are like some people wearing raincoats, and you can see some are having their umbrellas. It is generated by Sora. And if you scroll down, there's one picture. It looks like there is a fire broke out of the building. Here you can see, and it's spreading. The next one is it looks like some kind of anime girl which is walking. And here it looks like a bear. It looks like a teddy bear, and there are some balloons with it. And this one, as I already showed you. Okay, there's one more. This one, I showed you a little bit of it. So this is like the cars are moving. Okay, this one, it looks like there is a galaxy. This one, it looks like cat sat on a balloon. And it kind of looks like the video, it has some, like the camera has been tilted or something like that. This one I already showed you. Okay, this one looks like a bird which is sitting on a tree branch, and there are leaves to it, and it's zooming in. So that's all I can say about it. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.